Okay, so as a continental knitter, I'm going to purl and alternate my contrast yarn the same way. So continental, I have my yarn, my working yarn in my left hand. I have my contrast yarn in my right hand. And I'm going to alternate from where the other stitches were. So reading your knitting, that means I'm going to wrap the stitches that aren't wrapped with a contrast here. And by wrap, it's simply bringing it back and forth. So I'm going to purl with the yarn in front, move the yarn to the back, purl. Move the yarn to the front, and by front, it's the wrong side, but it's toward me. Purl, away from me, purl. Toward me, purl, away from me, purl. Again, English knit, it can be done the same way, but I'm going to have the yarns in my opposite hand. I just do not want to switch part way, and I do not want to switch between the right side and the wrong side of the work, or the knit and the purls, because that will interrupt the pattern. However, if I'm the English knitter, I'm still doing the same thing, just the opposite hand. I'm bringing my contrast toward me, and I'm purling. I'm bringing my contrast away from me, and I'm purling. Toward me, purl, away from me, purl. What you'll see is because I've alternated, I'm going to have that same issue where instead of having, you can see this, instead of having the right spacing, my contrast yarns are now touching. And that's because I switched. It's not because I did anything wrong. So again, I'm going to take those back so that I can reset to where I was.